Welcome to your WACTO dashboard, your control center for WhatsApp business. Track wallet balance, message limits, and detailed conversation stats instantly. Monitor broadcast and API message performance with easy-to-read graphs. Access tools like chat, templates, chatbot builder, and billing from the sidebar. This is the Compose message module, where you can send WhatsApp messages instantly. Choose between single, group, or CSV mode based on your contact type. Simply enter the number, type your message, and give the campaign a name. Click Send Now to reach your audience in seconds, fast and efficient. This is the Live Chat module, your real-time inbox for customer interactions. Easily view all unread, read, or intervened messages from one screen. Respond instantly to customers and manage conversations smoothly. Perfect for support teams to stay connected and build trust on WhatsApp. Track past conversations with ease in the History tab. Review messages, check dates, and monitor interactions anytime. Great for following up and maintaining context with your customers. Your complete WhatsApp communication archive, all in one place. Add and manage your chat support team with ease. Assign roles, control access, and edit agent details anytime. From super agents to basic roles, keep everything organized. Empower your team for better, faster customer support. Easily manage all your customer contacts in one place. Tag, group, and filter with precision for smarter messaging. Update details or import contacts in bulk using CSV. Stay organized and reach the right people at the right time. This UI Contacts module displays a list of recent contacts and messages within the application. Users can view contact details, message timestamps, and add tags for better organization. The module includes filtering options by tag, name, or number, along with export and date range features. It helps users manage communication history efficiently for follow-ups and segmentation. Manage customer preferences with ease and compliance. See who opted out and respect their privacy choices. Automatically update your contact list to stay clean. Build trust while staying aligned with WhatsApp policies. The Manage Template module allows users to view, organize, and manage WhatsApp message templates. Templates are categorized by purpose, e.g., marketing, utility, and display their type, status, and creation date. Users can perform actions like viewing, editing, deleting, or syncing templates directly from this interface. This module ensures streamlined communication setup for campaigns and automated messaging. The Broadcast Logs module provides a performance overview of recent broadcast campaigns over the past 7 days. It features a visual chart showing the number of messages sent, delivered, and read each day. Detailed logs below the chart list individual campaign stats, including replies and delivery success. This module helps monitor message reach and optimize future broadcast strategies. The API Logs module tracks all messaging activities initiated via API integration. It includes a 7-day delivery chart that visualizes the volume of sent, delivered, and read messages. Detailed logs display campaign names, submission counts, delivery success, and overall status. This module helps developers and businesses monitor API-based communication performance efficiently. The Schedule Logs module tracks all scheduled messaging campaigns. It includes a 7-day delivery chart to visualize message activity, a detailed table showing campaign names, publish times, delivery stats, submitted, sent, delivered, read, and completion status. This module helps users monitor and confirm the execution of scheduled campaigns efficiently. The Schedule Logs tab lists all scheduled campaigns. It shows campaign name, scheduled time, creation time, and status. Each entry includes an edit button to modify campaigns, useful for tracking and managing upcoming or sent messages. This displays balance usage across categories like MC, UC, AC, BIC, and SM, shows total usage with breakdowns for marketing, service, utility, and authentication, includes a date filter and export option for reporting, tracks usage by hour with detailed billing entries. This displays a record of transactions with amounts, timestamps, reasons, and balances, differentiates transactions by status, paid, deducted, etc., provides filters for transaction states, completed, pending, cancelled, deducted, supports date range selection, and shows the running balance after each entry. This is the flow section, where all your automated chat flows are listed. You can see the name, type, and keywords that trigger each flow. It's easy to turn flows on or off, and even set a default one. If needed, you can quickly edit, create new flows, or unsubscribe keywords. This is the Chatbot Builder, where you manage your custom bots. Each bot has its own name, keywords, and can be toggled on or off. You can create, import, or edit chatbots with just a click. It's a simple way to automate conversations based on your needs. Welcome to the AI Agent section, the brain of your automation. Upload up to 2 PDF files to power your AI with knowledge. Once uploaded, the agent uses this content to respond smartly. It's your custom AI, trained on exactly what matters to you. Set up your AI agent with just a few details. Name your model, add your API and CRM keys, and you're good to go. You can even choose the response language. Here, it's set to Tamil. Once saved, your AI is ready to deliver smart, localized support. Manage your WhatsApp flows with ease. Each flow shows its name, ID, and current status, draft or published. Want to see how it responds? Just click Show Responses, create new flows, or edit existing ones with a click right from this dashboard. Stay organized and in control of your customer interactions. View flow responses in real time. Select any WhatsApp flow to see how users are interacting with it. Right now, there's no data to display. Either the flow hasn't been used yet, or responses are still being collected. Come back later to monitor user replies and download them with one click. Easily connect your e-commerce platforms. Choose between Shopify or WooCommerce to integrate with your WhatsApp automation. Click Description to learn more about each integration, or hit Config to get started with setup. Simplify order tracking, customer engagement, and more, all in one place. Take full control of your order communications with Shopify integration. Toggle on automation for key events like new orders, cancelled orders, and abandoned carts, ensuring your customers are always informed. Want to go further? Enable real-time shipping updates and order modifications to deliver a seamless shopping experience. Customize your flow, reduce cart abandonment, and boost customer satisfaction, all with a single click. Seamlessly integrate your WooCommerce store with WACTO's automation suite. Enable triggers for key events like new orders, new customers, deleted orders, and updated orders, all with a single toggle. Automate personalized follow-up messages to re-engage customers and boost your sales conversions. Stay in control, stay connected, and let WACTO handle the heavy lifting. Track every transaction in real time with the Payments dashboard. Get a quick overview of total revenue, order success rate, and pending payments at a glance. Filter by payment type or status, and export detailed reports with ease. Each entry includes essential details like transaction ID, recipient, payment method, and time, keeping your operations transparent and organized. Stay informed, stay in control. Easily manage your payment gateways with the Configurations tab. View all integrated providers like PayU and RazorPay at a glance. Check the status of each configuration and control which one is currently in use with a single toggle. Need to switch or remove a provider? Just use the action icons to make quick changes anytime. Simplify payments, stay flexible, and keep your business running smoothly. Send personalized payment requests directly through WhatsApp using WACTO's payment notification tool. Simply input the customer's mobile number, product details, pricing, and any optional taxes or discounts. As you build the invoice, a live preview shows exactly what your customer will see. Once ready, click Notify Payment to send a secure payment link they can review and pay instantly. Fast, clear, and integrated. Give your customers a seamless checkout experience right within chat. Easily manage your product listings with WACTO's catalog feature. View and organize your entire product lineup at a glance, complete with images, pricing, and status toggles. Add new catalogs or update shipping prices in just a few clicks. Quick actions let you activate or edit products instantly, keeping your WhatsApp store fresh and accurate. Perfect for showcasing your offerings and streamlining the buying experience. Track your WhatsApp store's performance with catalog orders. Instantly view total revenue, paid and pending orders, and any failed transactions, all in one place. Each order entry shows customer details, pricing, catalog ID, and payment status, giving you complete visibility over your sales. Filter by date, export reports, or send order notifications with just a click. Managing orders has never been this seamless. Create smarter conversations with the Dialogflow interface. Upload your custom JSON-based flows to automate replies and guide users through dynamic interactions on WhatsApp. Simply drag and drop your file, enable the version, and go live in seconds, giving your bot the intelligence it needs to serve customers effortlessly. Securely connect external services using the API settings panel. Easily manage and generate API keys, configure message and report webhooks, and streamline integrations with just a few clicks. Maintain control and flexibility while scaling your WhatsApp automation infrastructure. Personalize every conversation with the User Attributes panel. Create and manage dynamic variables like names, dates, or custom tags to tailor messages for each user. These attributes enable smarter automation and deeper engagement across your campaigns. Easily drive traffic to your WhatsApp with the QR code generator. Just type your message, choose a format, and generate a code in seconds. Track usage and manage your history to keep campaigns fresh and effective. Keep your business profile up to date with the Profile Management section. View and edit key details like contact info, business description, and WhatsApp API number. Stay in control with clear visibility into your account status, plan, and recent login activity. Update your credentials securely in the Change Password section. Simply enter your current password, then create and confirm your new password. Click Save Changes to apply. It's that easy to keep your account safe. Understand your costs with the Pricing section. Easily view detailed rates for authentication, marketing, and utility messages based on your service area. Stay informed and plan effectively with transparent pricing at your fingertips. Track your financial activity in the Transaction section. View all payments and deductions with clear details on amount, date, status, and reason. Stay on top of your spending and keep your account running smoothly. In the Current Plan section, you'll see details about your subscription. This account is on the eCommerce plan, which is currently active with unlimited duration and no renewal needed. You can click Renew Plan if required, or check out other options via View Pricing.